The Ducati Diavel V4 is a crazy machine with incredible power. The Ducati Diavel V4 is built on an aluminum monocoque chassis, making it 13 kilograms lighter than the 1260. The bike now gets the V4 Gran Turismo engine that produces 166 bhp and a whopping 126 Nm of peak torque. The Diavel V4 features a 5-inch TFT display along with a number of riding modes, with further customization of wheelie control, engine brake control, ABS, and more. Ducati designers made the V4 Gran Turismo the star, highlighting its mechanics as a signature feature that underlines the bike's performance, character, and style. With a weight reduction of 13 kilograms compared to the 1260, the Diavel V4 is easier to ride in corners. The climbs and ruts have become sharper, but the chunky 240-gauge tires, despite offering excellent grip, still require significant effort to make quick changes of direction. The bike harmonizes the seemingly disparate characteristics of a naked sports bike and a muscle cruiser, creating a unique blend of technical, dynamic, and stylistic features. The bike has become easier to handle, but somehow retains the essence of the old Diavel. The rear cylinder array is deactivated when the bike is stationary and even when there is no heavy load to be lifted. The Diavel V4 is one of the best-looking motorcycles around. Its performance will easily impress, and it has decent electronics to keep the rider upright and safe at all times.